Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacquelyn Lopez, and today I have my very first Dollar Tree haul. Now, I do haul Dollar Tree items in some of my other home decor videos, but this is solely Dollar Tree items. And let me tell you, I am super excited to show you everything I bought. I bought everything, well, most of it actually, yesterday, so I'm trying to get this filmed and ready for you guys to see so that you guys can go and get these items, because items this good, they sell out quick. So before we get into the items, I do want to remind you to please subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Also follow me over on Instagram, because I do post a lot of pictures over there of what I do with all the items that I haul, and I also do other bonus small DIYs over there. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get started, and I'm going to start with the items that I am most excited about, and I know that you guys are going to love them as well. Okay, so it's this huge stack of canvas signs, and let me tell you, they are all so adorable. I left behind so many more, believe it or not, because look, this is a huge stack. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I believe. And again, I left behind so many other ones. I got the ones that I knew I would be able to use in my home, or that I knew maybe one of my siblings or my parents would be able to use them in their home. That way I can give it to them, but still be able to show this to you. So let me start with the first one I have on top. And it is this family sign, and it says "Together is my favorite place to be." I love that it has this shiplap look. I love that this is like the Ray Dunn kind of font. Not really, because hers tends to be a little bit more handwritten looking like, but it's still like the tall and skinny style of font that she uses in her mugs. So this was pretty cute. And then this one is not something I would traditionally get, but I don't know why, it stole my heart. And it's just a simple pickup truck with, these are not hay bales. It's straw or hay, I don't know. But still, this is really, really cute. I don't think, again, that I'm gonna put this up in my home, but I just had to have it. Maybe I will, maybe I'll find the perfect place for this. And then of course I had to get this beautiful one that says "Bloom where you are planted," because it has these beautiful roses and it's just perfect. And then this one is just a simple one. This is pretty common looking sign, like what they usually have, and it just says "Home Sweet Home," and it's kind of like this faux wood. Not my favorite one, but still got it. And then this is another super cute one, which is actually backwards. There we go. And it's just these succulents on this like wood panel background, and it's just so pretty. I actually love that you can still kind of see the wood over it, so this would be like painted on like a picture, but this is beautiful. I absolutely love this. I made you this one for the summer. This one is the first one I saw, and I fell in love with it. And this kind of style, because there's about 2 or 3, is most definitely my favorite. So it's this one that says "Powder Room." How perfect and beautiful is this? I love this sort of like half wreath with all this greenery. It's just perfection. I love the 2 type of fonts that they chose. Again, this is just adorable. And again, it's kind of like that plank or shiplap background. And then there's this one that says "Faith." Again, another favorite. I love that this one is the complete circle. And this would be, I'm pretty sure that this is like eucalyptus, so it's either like seeded eucalyptus and maybe a little bit of like baby eucalyptus, I think it's called, or blue eucalyptus. No, silver dollar, whatever. It's eucalyptus, and it's beautiful. And then there's this final one that says "Bless Our Nest," and again, it's so cute with all the greenery. This one has succulent, oops, wrong way, up here and down here, which again is just adorable. And then do you see that it has like right there, the little like 4-leaf clovers? I thought that was so cute. So you can kind of sneak this in for St. Patrick's Day, because it's just too cute. And then this one that says "Love Lives Here," and this is supposed to be like magnolia leaves, but the little, this up here, it kind of looks like hops. So I don't know if they were trying to go for like a green pine cone or actually hops, But it's so beautiful. I love the typewriter font that says Love Lives Here. And again, the same background. And then again, this is another one that I typically wouldn't get, but it was just too cute. And it is just, I'm sorry, this sweet little clawfoot tub with this beautiful blue design. The bubbles, I love the detail in that they chose this here in the middle instead of having like the traditional one over here. So I thought this was so cute. I absolutely love all these signs. Not only do they have those beautiful canvas signs, but they have these other like just square like MDF particle board wood signs. And this one is so cute, and it just says our nest is best. And it has like the greenery here, the top and bottom. And this one pulls more like green and blue. And this sign, I'm not too sure if I'm going to use it as is or if I'm going to do a DIY with it. I hate doing this. I hate taking apart stuff for other DIYs because it seems very wasteful to me. But since this is all one piece and it was just $1 in materials, sometimes this would still be cheaper because I can just paint over it and kind of do my own sign. So I don't know how I feel about this yet. Okay, last type of signs they had these MDF just like skinny long signs, and this one says welcome family and friends, and it's just kind of like a really cute farm scene. This is very primitive decor to me. This is not farmhouse at all, especially with the red and the black and the way like the little barn is and the pictures. Again, this is very primitive style, but I still wanted to show you guys. Again, I don't know if I'm going to use these for DIY because you can do so many things. I have a DIY in mind. Never mind. Stay tuned for what I do with this. And then I have this one that says love is the heart of the home, and it again has the same style of print with the little houses and then the little sheep. And then this final one that says bless our home. Sorry, I'm trying to get it centered. There we go. And again, some style of little house with the little sheep. Very similar to this one that says love is the heart of the home. So for $1, again, sometimes for material, it's good. And it already has like the little holes for you to hang it. So it's perfect. And of course, I love my wall decals from Dollar Tree, and I got this really cute one. Oh, other way. There we go. That way you can see kind of all the designs that come in this one pack. Super cute. Show you the back. This bunny is so adorable. And then this one, oh, it's so cute. So these, I don't know again what I'm gonna use with these, but stay tuned. I absolutely love these. I just don't like that they have the white background. I would have preferred if they had the clear one, because if I put it on anything, it has to be white or else it would look off. And I got more succulents. Oops, they're falling. So I got this purple one. I got this beautiful green one with a light and dark green. This is more like a maroon because this is a purple one. Oh, it's kind of hard to see the coloring. But this one is really cute because it's like an opaque purple. And then this one, I just love these like curly leaves. Oh, again, really bad. I love these curly leaves. I think they are just so beautiful. And then I got this one, which kind of looks like an aloe plant. And this one is in the pick form. Well, let me give you a tip on buying these succulents. Buy ones that will be more similar in color to what a real succulent is. If you start to buy these and they look fake, even though you mix them with other ones, it looks off. So in order to keep your DIYs with these looking more on the high-end side, less Dollar Tree, make sure that you choose colors that you would actually find in nature. So as beautiful as I think they have like a minty color one, that one to me looks so not real. So again, try to stay with what you would actually see in nature. That'll make your DIYs just a step above the rest. And then I also got this cute little potted succulent. I just love this that have like the little thick leaves. And this one is like in the red and green. Very beautiful. And I got 2 of the potted cacti. I love this one that it's like a little pear. I love the different color of the spikes. And then I love this one that has the little spikes and the little red flower up top. So these are really cute. And for spring, I did buy 2 of these votive or candle holders, and these are so cute. I love this mercury glass. Oh my god, the color is horrible. There we go. This is kind of the color I'm going for my Easter spring decor. So super excited to have bought these. I'm gonna go find more because I'm gonna do some DIY floral arrangements, just as some basic crafts here for my channel, and I want to use these as the base because they're the perfect size for some arrangements that I want to do. And I got this cute little cross. It's just so cute because this kind of looks like a windmill. I know it's more of a flower, but it was giving me all the farmhouse vibes. I don't love this gray, so I may take it apart and just paint it all white. I got some milk paint on clearance at Joann's, and I paid like $1.50 for milk paint. So I think I'm going to do that because that has a really nice weathered look. So that I may do on my Instagram. And then I bought tons of DIY supplies. So I bought this jumbling tower game Jenga. I want to use the little pieces for something. I'm not going to do a frame or anything like that because that would be too much, and it's cheaper to just buy again the material. But there is something that would be perfect with these, and then I need to replace some that my son lost on his because we actually love to play this one. It's pretty convenient that it's this small, so I need to give him a couple of these that he lost, or I think I took one once, so gotta replace those. And again, as a DIY supply, I did get 2 of these little eggs. I think they're so sweet. I love the colors. I'm not gonna do super colorful, but I still think they'd be cute for some DIYs, and because I didn't not want to have them in case I want to do this again next year, and some items are really hard to come by at Dollar Tree, especially mine. It's kind of hit or miss whether it has some of the popular stuff, so really glad I got 2 of these. Oh, and I also got more of the carrots, but I've been using them for DIYs that I should be posting soon, so I don't have a closed pack to show you because I did specifically save some for next year to put in storage. And I got these burner covers, and it's just the regular burner covers. I didn't care which design it was because again, I'm going to do a DIY with this. I'm going to use the enamel technique that the Daily DIYer did on her like tiered tray, but I'm going to do something different with them, so stay tuned for that. I have a little bag of DIY goodies because I'm trying to store things as best as I can. So let me just start getting things out of here. I bought 3 of these for Cynthia, little yellow stems. And again, this is for DIY. I loved these cattails. So cute. I love that they're pink, and I only got 2 of those. And then I bought, oops, too many of these. I bought 4 of these fabric treat sacks with the little bunnies, and those are coming up on a DIY as well. And then I have, oops, I've been buying these wood beads because they're perfect if you're going to do your own wood bead garlands. I already made one with these smaller size round beads, but it's really cute if you mix and match them and make one long one, and you get a lot of material for only $1. And then you also get like the stretchy cord, which please save because that is really nice to have for other DIY projects if you don't use it for the garland. So save that up because I have a DIY again coming up soon with that. And I did buy this sweet little bag for a DIY. It's making noise because it has my smaller beads in there. I couldn't resist this. So excited about this DIY. And I also bought a metal hanging plant bracket is what it's called. This is perfect. I can't wait to use this, buy this. And then they also have the little hanging chain. If you already have the planter that you just connect the little chains to hang it for $1, you really can't beat that. Super excited to use this. And to hang up my plant, because I have a plant here that I need to hang up soon, I did get 2 of these just so that I could trade them out, because this is what matches my home most of the time. But then for the spring and summer, I may use this one that looks kind of like terracotta. I love that this one already has the saucer included in there, so that it still drains your water. That way you don't kill your plant by overwatering it. I've done that. And that's it. I'm sorry if I went a little fast, but I always talk so much in my videos, and I'm trying to keep this video short also because I want to make sure to edit it as soon as possible so that you guys can go and purchase these items, because again, those signs are gonna sell out quick, so you need to run right now and get them. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I love doing this video. I'm so excited about all the items, and I hope you are too. So leave me a comment down below, which was your favorite item. I'm going to do a DIY with the beautiful canvas signs, and I'm probably gonna give some of them away because I obviously bought too many. So thank you again for watching. There I go rambling. Please subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and have yourself a very good rest of your day. Bye bye.